Do you need budget-friendly curtain ideas? My name is Catherine from the blog ourtimberhome.com. Well, you would never guess that these long cottage curtains are white twin sheets. Yes, I said twin sheets. Everyone that comes to visit the cottage cannot tell that they are sheets. Everyone just assumes they are curtains. Of course, they are so surprised to find out that they are just sheets. The great thing about them being twin flat sheets are the size. Twin flat sheets are usually 66 inches wide by 96 inches long. That is a lot of material for such a low price. Have you priced fabric lately? Getting your money's worth. If you have very large windows, then you could buy full queen or king flat sheets as an option. Just remember to measure your windows. For my French doors, I used 4 flat sheets, but it would have been better to just buy 2 full-size sheets. But for most windows, twin flat sheets would be just fine. You may be asking yourself, why would any sane person use twin sheets for curtains? Well, there are several reasons. One of them is they are very budget friendly. Of course, you could always find your curtains at the thrift store. If your heart's desire is that they all match so that you have a cohesive look, then finding 44 curtain panels would never happen since we have 22 windows in our old timber home. You can just wash them and throw them in the dryer one at a time, and as soon as they are dry, hang them immediately on the curtain clips. Or if you have a steamer like I do, that would work also. Funny, because that was the reason I bought the steamer. I never ended up steaming my curtains. You know how that goes. If you have never used curtain clips before, you have to add the clips to the curtain rod before you hang the curtain rod up. I use 14 clips for a pair of curtains, so each curtain gets 7 clips. Here are some options for your new cottage curtains. You can choose to leave them just as they are puddling on the floor, or you can fold over the top of the front of the sheet about a foot or so, and then it will look like an attached valance. Or you can choose to leave them long and puddling on the floor. The choice is yours. As another option, you could pleat them on top for a more traditional look. If you prefer your curtains pulled back a little bit, you could always add velvet ribbon. I am so excited for Christmas decorating this year. I am wanting to add velvet ribbon to all my long cottage curtains. The other choice for tiebacks would be tassels. They make an excellent choice. For some reason, I overlooked this option, which seems crazy to me now. I was watching my good friend Deena from Graceful Living the other day. I will link her channel below. And she uses tassels everywhere in her home for decorating. And it dawned on me, tassels. I remember seeing tassels at Big Lots a while back. I remember I liked the gold pair, so off to the store I went. I used our long cottage curtains in every room, including the grandkids' room. I was a little concerned leaving them puddle on the floor. I assumed that they would probably be getting stepped on or something to that effect, but surprisingly, nothing happened. They just walk around them. If you're still not sold on the idea, what have you got to lose? Just grab a couple of flat sheets and test it out. You might be surprised. With a little imagination, you can have long cottage curtains on a budget. I will link everything used in this project in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And welcome to Our Timber Home.